Check this out. This one's definitely on my list of favorite cars. 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Of course, the split window. 327 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. How else would you want it? And then nicely equipped too with power steering, AC, Riverside Red 923 paint coat on this one. Interior 49XC, which is also going to be a red interior, so red on red Corvette. Gotta love them. Now let's check out this chrome up front. There's a few things I'm going to point out on this one. As you can see, paint has a nice luster to it, good shine. There are a few touch-up spots on it. And a spot like right here, and then some just little ones up front where the previous owner maybe got a little tiny rock chip or what have you, has been touched up. And there's a spot here where you can see a little bit of paint work has been done. But that does not take away from the beauty of this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. Click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the knockoff style wheels. There are lugs behind those knockoffs, just so you know. What wheel is on this? Let's take a look down this passenger side. And again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. I would call it a nice, maybe older paint. But again, it has buffed out, it has shined up, and it looks good. And it's a 63 split window coupe in the original colors. And again, red on red, there's those bucket seats. Center console with that 4-speed. We'll start this up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of the video, we're gonna also take this car for a drive. Put the camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult your sales associate when you call in or email. That's a beautiful look right there. Of course, the dual exhaust, chrome in the rear bumper looks good. And we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to see this one yourself. Want somebody to take a peek at it. Maybe can't make it due to time or distance. Not a problem. We try to represent them as fairly as we can, obviously with all the pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online. The walk-around video like this we do, and then of course the driving video, we're going to take it out and show you. One other thing, if you like classic cars, sports cars, specialty cars, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You never know what you might see pop up in a video that comes through here. A lot of cars in the showroom, and a lot of cars that will be coming through our service department in detail, getting ready for me to picture up and do the videos on. Let's take a closer look at this interior. Red vinyl's in nice shape, seat belts intact up front. Now, when you see that carpeting right there, it wants to get washed out. Reds will tend to wash out on the pictures and videos some. Let me get back here a little ways. There you go. That gives you a good idea what the true color is. When I get right up on top of it with the video camera going, or just even the camera, reds like to wash out. So to give you a true idea the color of that interior is, you get a step back and it gives you the true red effect to it. So just a little heads up on that. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. I want to show you the headlights work. And as you can see, tack is working. Here's the fuel gauges come up. Battery gauge. Oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Odometer reads 56,690. Due to the age of the car, cannot confirm if that's original or not. Once the car is a certain age, it is marked exempt on the title. I have not had the radio power up. Just so you know, I did not have that working. Great. Great sounding car. How about the headliner? Looks good. That door closes and fits so nice. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Good sounding car. All right, now, of course, these kind of have two switches. One for the actual lights themselves and one for raising the headlights. I'm going to go ahead and raise these. Show you that they are working. There they're up. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. And let's check out this engine bay. Once again, 327 V8, power steering, AC, as you can see the compressor over there. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. Nice and clean and tidy, what you'd expect. There is a battery disconnect over here in the battery. Going in between drives or maybe when it's in storage. AC's also been converted, I noticed. 134A, cover the fittings. Looks good, sounds good. '63 Chevrolet Corvette split window coupe. Original Riverside red car, red interior. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1963 Chevrolet Corvette. Red on red. This is the Corvette with the split rear window. 1 year only. Beautiful machine. This is a 4-on-the-floor manual transmission. Nice feeling clutch, easy shifts. Very nice running car. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Speedometer and tachometer working. Fuel gauge reading 3/4 of a tank. Battery is charging. Over the middle of the gauge, oil pressure is about 55 to 60 pounds. Have not seen the temperature gauge move yet. The radio does power up. Blower motor works. Wipers work. Beautiful condition inside this car. Red vinyl bucket seats. Matching red interior everywhere else you see. Chrome, stainless look. Brakes are working well. Doesn't lean too much in the corners. Takes a corner the way a 63 Corvette should. Another iconic car. Probably the most iconic Corvette that I can think of. And the most desirable for a lot of people. This car does great on the highway. If I let go of the wheel, it stays right in the middle of the road. Nice low slung seating, handles great in the corners. definitely want to check out all the pictures and learn more about this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.